Behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
We've got two bots taking the center line. That's 461 and 1501. Over on your blue lines, 4982 Olympus firing their fuel in alongside their human players. We got 461 firing their first load, going for a second. 1501 firing some from their depot and trying to climb. If they're successful, they'll get 15 extra points. As we enter tally up, the Red Alliance will lead 83-21. Red Alliance leads in fuel scored, so Blue Alliance will have the first shift. Over on blue, we have 10-3-3-2 getting ready to score their hopper. The Blue Alliance needs to score about 75 points to retake that lead, but they do have 8 seconds. Over on red, we do see 1501 and 461 getting ready to score. Yes, you can see 1501 is firing on the move. They have a turreted launcher. That means that they can be aiming at the goal the entire time. 461 is encountering some defense from 95-30. The Red Alliance has already surpassed 220 points with 1 minute 30 on the clock. It's now the Blue Alliance's turn. They can continue to score and try and close the gap between the Red Alliance and Blue Alliance scores. We see 10-3-3-2 giving more fuel to their human players so they can make some sick dunks. Over on red, we do see 1501 using their turret launcher to continuously fire fuel into their alliance zone. It is now the Reds' turn in the final shift before endgame. See that thrust is firing on the move to gather more fuel. 451 West Spoiler Invasion is going right against the hub. This makes it harder to defend against them as they are square against the surface. The Red Alliance needs about 50 more fuel to get that supercharged RP. They are extremely close. And we see that they about need 20 more fuel, and they have 20 seconds to do it. 451 might have the fuel to do it in their robot. They're coming back for another cycle. And with the shots from 451, the Red Alliance has made the supercharged RP into the final 10 seconds of the match. We have both Red Alliance and Blue Alliance bots trying to make a few more cycles as this match will come to a close. With a score of 424-50, the Red Alliance will take home 5 ranking points, 3 for the win, 1 for scoring 100 fuel, and 1 for scoring over 360 fuel during the match.